In Laos, our house was in front of a market. I like to go there for a walk. I always look for a known Vietnamese lady who used to sell delicious bowl of rice noodle soup called Banh Can. I was dying to be able to join the lucky ones who were enjoying her tasty soup. Now, whenever I feel like eating it, I'll prepare it myself. I show you how. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgan.com. Start by preparing the broth. Put in the saucepan 500 grams of pork bones, 1 onion cut in half, 3 garlic cloves, half teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, and 2 liters of water. Bring to a boil. Put the lid on. When the broth starts to boil, foam it. Let's simmer over very low heat for 1 hour with a lid. During this time, prepare the mixture for the meatballs. Cut 400 grams of pork into chunks. Peel 2 cloves of garlic. Chop them together. Put them in a mixing bowl. Add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and 1 tablespoon of tapioca starch. Mix all together. Let it rest while preparing the other ingredients. Mince 4 shallots. Put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a pan over medium heat. When the oil is hot, add the shallots. Stir from time to time. When they start to be golden, turn on low heat and regularly stir. When they are golden like this, turn off the heat and keep stirring for another 10 seconds. And put them into a bowl. Mince 1 green onion, and 10 grams of cilantro. Now, prepare the rice noodles. In a mixing bowl, put 200 grams of rice flour, 200 grams of tapioca starch, half teaspoon of salt, mix. Add 40 centiliters of boiling water. Mix with a spatula until all the water is absorbed. The dough is still very hot. Press it with the spatula. Then knead it for 3 minutes. Divide it into several pieces. Spread them out with a roller to obtain a thickness of about 5 millimeters. Spread some tapioca starch on the surface of each piece of dough. Stack them. Cut them all together to make 5 millimeters wide noodles. Filter the broth. Heat it over low heat. Pour a little oil in your hand to make a pork meatballs. Here is a quick and easy trick to get regular meatballs. Remove the fat on the surface. Let cook over low heat for 5 minutes. Turn on high heat. Add the rice noodles. Put them in the broth. Put the lid on. After 1 minute, gently stir. And let cook for 5 minutes. When the soup starts to boil, turn on low heat and stir from time to time. Serve a large bowl of Banh Can for each guest. Put on a good teaspoon of fried shallots, the green onion, the cilantro. For those who like spicy, the chili oil, and a little ground pepper. Eat without delay. Bon appétit! Each guest mix her whole bowl before eating. Everyone loves eating Banh Can. The meatballs are well seasoned. The broth is tasty. The rice noodles are soft, consistent, and slightly elastic. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.